Safety Solutions. Just finished my first project for a contracting company. GMC Sierra Denali HD. I like the way this installation came out. This vehicle has been 100% LED equipped. Sponsored by LED Equip. Let's see what it can do. By the way, this is a new handheld. Excuse the dirty hand, I've been working. That LED Equip features. You can see how thin it is. It's about the size of a cell phone. Handheld, very nifty. Like the way that this installation came out. 100% happy with the setup I chose for it. Still have to come back and do 6-head Dominator in the back glass and some hideaways in the cargo light area. It's all surface mounts under the tailgate. I put under the tailgate. Safety Solutions. Stay tuned for more installations.